Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the comparison of fractions. Okay, Lata and Lakshmi. Lata and Lakshmi are went to a shop. They buy one chocolate bar. Lata buy one chocolate bar and Lakshmi buy one chocolate bar. Lata buy one chocolate bar, Lakshmi buy one chocolate bar. They divide this bar into 5 parts. Lata divides the chocolate bar into 5 parts and Lakshmi divides the chocolate bar into 5 parts. Lata divided into 5 parts, Lakshmi divided into 5 parts. In that, Lata ate 2 parts. Lata ate 2 parts, Lakshmi ate 3 parts. Lakshmi ate 3 parts. How we write this one as fraction? Total she divided the chocolate into 5 parts. In that she ate 2 parts. So 2 by 5. In this total she divided into 5 parts. She ate 3 parts. So 3 by 5. Now who ate more parts? Who ate more parts? Lakshmi ate more parts. Both are divided into same. So denominators will be same. In the numerator, which is the big number? 3. So that is the big fraction. So 3 by 5 is the big fraction. It is what symbol? Less than. It is less than. It is less than. Again, same chocolate bar. In the same chocolate bar, Lata ate 4 parts. She ate 1 part. Lata ate 4 parts and Lakshmi ate 1 part. If you observe here, why these two? Here who ate more? That is called comparison. Who ate more? How we are saying? We are comparing with both their chocolates. They divide into each one 5 parts. Who ate more means who ate more. With who having less parts, they ate more. Same here also. She ate 4 parts out of 5. So 4 by 5. She ate 4 parts out of 5. 4 by 5. She ate 1 part out of 5. Now who ate more? Lata ate more. We are comparing. This is called comparison. How we are comparing? These two denominators are same. Denominators means they divide their chocolate bars into equal parts. In that, Lata ate 4 parts, Lakshmi ate 1 part. Then who ate more parts? Lata ate more parts. So it is the symbol 4 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. It is greater than. Greater than. So while comparison of fractions, If you observe here, we are comparing these two fractions and these two fractions. By comparing the fractions with the same denominator, these two fractions having same denominator, these two fractions having same denominator. While comparing fractions with the same denominator, the fraction with greater numerator, in the fractions which fraction having greater numerator, this is called numerator, this is the denominator. The fraction with greater numerator is bigger. The fraction with, so here in these two comparison, denominator same, in the numerator which is the big number 3. So that is the bigger fraction. So that's why we keep the symbol here. Same in these two denominators same. In the numerators here 4, here 1, which is the big number 4. So we keep symbol 4 to 4 by 5 side. Okay. So while comparison of fractions, while comparison of fractions with same denominator, while comparison of fractions with same denominator, the fraction with greater numerator, the fraction with greater numerator is bigger. The fraction with greater numerator is bigger. Okay, if you observe here, while the denominators are same, which fraction having the greater numerator, which fraction having the greater numerator, that is the bigger. This is called comparison of fractions. Arrange the fractions in ascending order. Arrange the fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Okay, how we compare, before we know, while comparison of fractions with the same denominators, the fraction with greater numerator is bigger. Here ascending order means we have tried the smallest fraction to greatest fraction. Here, if you observe here, all the denominators are same. Yes, ascending order means small fraction to big fraction. So here when the denominators are same, in the numerators which is the smallest number, 2, 7, 1, 5. In this which is the smallest number 1. So first we have tried 1 by 8 less than. It is, we are writing ascending order, small number to big number. So next 1 by 8 after 2 by 8. Next 5 by 8. Next 7 by 8. Okay, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means small fraction to big fraction. How we know what is the small fraction? Here all the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, in the numerators which is the smallest number, that is the smallest fraction. So first in the numerators which is the smallest one, 1. So 1 by 8. Next remaining which is the smallest one, 2, 7, 5, 2. So 2 by 8. Next 5 is the smallest one, 5 by 8. Next 7 by 8. Same here also 1 by 7, 6 by 7, 4 by 7, 2 by 7. Here also all the denominators will be same. When the denominators are same, how we should write the numerators? Same. Smallest fraction to biggest fraction. So here what is the smallest one? 1, 6, 4, 2, 1. So 1 by 7 less than, next 2 by 7 less than, 4 by 7 less than, 6 by 7. Okay, this is what order? Ascending order, smallest fraction to biggest fraction. So 1 by 7 is less than 2 by 7? Yes. So we have to keep here less than symbol. Next, arrange the fractions in descending order. Descending means bigger fraction to smallest one. So if you observe here 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 1 by 5, 5 by 5. Here also all the denominators will be same. When the denominators are same, in the numerators which is the bigger number, that is the bigger fraction. So here denominator same, numerator is 3, 4, 1, 5. Now what is the biggest one? 5. So first 5 by 5. So here greater, it is the greater one, so greater symbol. Next 4 by 5. Next 3 by 5. Next 1 by 5. Okay, next here what are the denominators here? 77 by 100, 45 by 100, 63 by 100, 90 by 100. Here all the denominators will be 100. That means same. Now in the numerators, which is the greatest one? 90. So 90 by 100 greater than next 77 by 100. Next 63 by 100 greater than 45 by 100. If you observe here in these all fractions denominator same, in these all fractions denominator same, in these fractions denominator same. So fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Which fractions having denominator same, that fractions are called like fractions. Fractions with the same denominator. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. Here these are like fractions. These are all these are like fractions. Why these are all like fractions? Their denominators are same. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions.